my bad.
Hey, YouTube. It's your girl, Jazz.
You look like you're drinking.
Do you love him?
Do you love him?
Do you love him, bitch?
Oh, give me that.
Do you love him? She love him.
Got all the compliments today. Purr. She got that shit on.
Yo, our power went out.
Look, she red.
Stop.
Man, I ain't pregnant. I don't give a fuck about
Wait, what you doing? Because you pregnant. Hey y'all, it's your girl Janine. If you didn't know, my name is Nye. Welcome back to my channel.
as long as we be tickling my ass.
So y'all, today we get ready with me to go to the beach.
Yeah.
So yeah, she finna hurry up and do her hair because we gonna get it and go to the beach. Oh, it's like a little wave.
It is.
Probably because I had braided it.
You see? I'm trying to get this knot hard. It's kind of hard.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular?
Hey y'all, back in the room. I'm wearing a dress.
She look good.
It was me. I'm wearing a dress. Let me see which lash. I'm putting on my lashes, y'all. So put on this one. I can't do it, y'all. Every time I try to do it with y'all, I can't. I'm sorry, boo.
It's gonna irritate you. You see that little piece that keep wanna come out? You stay your ass in. Or you take pictures.
Don't itch.
Y'all,
Can you get my Vaseline and cocoa butter?
I don't see that.
For real? You don't see it?
Oh,
behind
sorry. Just big and dumb in my face. Now that you, this one seems so smaller than what I thought it was. And we was using it all that long time. Or mine just dumb and big.
Yeah.
That should last me some years.
Cause y'all know my legs been dry no matter how much stuff I put on there. Since it was the winter time, I know we get ashy. So my legs was ashy as a boo.
Why you got a slow charger right here?
Cause I don't know where my fast charger at for my phone.
It's in my room. I was wondering who charger it was. When you walked me back my bag, it was a charger in here. And it was my charger was in there. And then I was like, who extra cord is this?
Yeah, that's mine.
Yeah, I was so confused. I was like, okay.
Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby.
Yo, this beach, oh, the sun is setting actually.
That is so pretty.
It's so pretty.
Don't it kind of look like cotton candy?
Yeah. Watch this. Say, hey y'all.
Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Hey y'all.
But y'all, it's so cute. And it feels so good. Look at the beach. Look at the boardwalk. We at Virginia
Y'all want
Beach.
to get a bike one day?
Yeah, H, we did that with mommy. We had got a bike.
Get a bike. We can't do it now, but can we get a bike one
Y'all
day?
about to
and
take
paddle?
pictures. Look at the beach. It's so cute. Hey y'all, so we at the beach. It's so pretty. And I just finished taking pictures. So make sure y'all go like them and stop playing with her. But this is the outfit, you know. And right now, everybody just taking pictures, and then we're gonna walk and sip because that's what we do. But nobody is in the water because it feels good outside, but it don't feel good to the point where you need to get in the water because it's still not the season to be getting in the water. It's not summertime. So. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna get back to y'all when there's something going on. Yeah. Hey y'all, so we're currently still walking. Well, we just started walking. I'm not gonna lie, because we were taking pictures and stuff. But we just started walking, and which will be my video or something. But we just started walking, and it was helicopters coming past because I think somebody drowned.
And they looking for them.
Yeah.
They were too close, y'all. Like they had water.
Oh, I don't know what bug that is, but
Dang, what's that?
oh shit.
That's a moth. But they had the water. So the water right here, helicopters right here, and the light is facing down just to see what's going on.
Exactly. And whoever it is, I hope they okay, and hopefully it's not, you know.
Whatever. Don't do drugs, kids. Okay. Don't do nicotine.
Nicotine, because she's addicted. Okay. Sorry.
Not too much.
But no, others aside, I hope they okay, or it was a false alarm, one or the other, because it's getting crazy out here. But anyway, I hope everybody having a great day, and everybody took pictures, and everybody's posting their pictures, so make sure y'all follow who?
UMB Asian Bookie.
Yup. And who?
They Love Nasia.
Yup. So if I go back there to them, they're not gonna know what I'm talking about. So I'm not even gonna go head back there. But y'all, we finna finish walking. It still feels great out here. It's not cold or nothing yet. Oh my bad.
Girl, Jazz.
But it still feels good out here. So
Coming for you.
yeah, that was a good one, wasn't it? Yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna get back to y'all later. Yeah. Yeah, we had Dairy Queens, and nobody had some chicken tenders and fries.
Yeah, because bitches act like they can't share.
Yeah, because we went over there and they had chicken tenders and fried bass.
I'm hungry.
So I only got 4 left. I was like, okay, whatever. But they chicken tenders and fries is what? It's right there.
They got wings.
Where you see wings at? I got one for everybody.
Okay.
My Asian
My Asian first. Put on. I'm gonna blur out the
No, that
name.
bitch gonna tell the truth.
I'm gonna blur out the
I'm not
name.
drinking that shit.
Okay,
Exactly.
so do you?
What you about to say about
She
it? Ready to say some wild shit?
It's not wild.
Oh.
Do you still love?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks. I don't know shit about you.
My
age.
age.
You still
in love with that boy that be at friend house, friend room?
Oh, Morgan.
Yeah.
If I'm still in love with him.
Do you love him? Do you love him?
With him? Oh, give me that. Nah, bitch. She like, she pleading the fifth. I'm pleading the fifth on that one.
She
Damn,
said
I
she
want some
Can I say 2 names for somebody?
jazz.
Yeah.
You got blurred.
9.
No, it's you.
No, it's your turn.
bitch.
Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
Okay, Jasmine.
Don't gotta be a statement. It can be a question.
It could be both.
All right, 9.
Mm-hmm.
I want to ask her something too. When the last time you got some?
Yeah, don't be lying.
And don't
She
be lying either.
like
Drink your total truth, bitch.
She be lying like shit about
She
when
can't
got
handle
a
a
bottle.
bottle. I
got
want
some
to
dick.
know.
Tell the truth.
Nah,
She got some. You got some track side. She be lying. She be
When the last
lying.
time you got some dick?
What's today?
What's today is crazy. I could tell you today. Yeah.
Okay, so probably like
January.
What?
When we got here?
probably like February 4th.
What? I should beat you.
It is. asking too many questions.
Y'all just asked when the last time. Y'all ain't say who.
It is him because she laughing like shit.
It can't be nobody else.
It can't.
All right, Jasmine.
Oh, I'm gonna ask another question.
When is the first? I'm gonna ask two. Could I ask two?
No,
We just like that.
Yeah,
Just ask her.
Yeah, you asked me two. Okay.
Yeah, I don't take a drink, so.
Okay. So do you love?
I love him. I don't love you.
Okay.
Ooh.
Okay. Here goes my other one. Are you slowly but surely starting to fall for?
Yeah.
Okay. Shanna Banner. Okay. How you feel about?
How you feel about?
How you feel about people at the? No. How you feel about at the game with the other? Who was just at the crib?
Right. Yeah, tell me how you feel about that.
Yeah.
Oh, honestly, off no funny shit though. I ain't no more after that. And I was just like falling for him a little bit though. Just a little bit.
Okay, but did that break
He
your heart?
fucked it up like that right there. He didn't break
It
my
broke your heart? Okay.
No. He didn't break my heart because I wasn't in love, but he did.
He hurt your feelings?
He did.
Exactly.
It only blew me only because if he never told me that he loved me that night before, that shit would have never did anything.
Oh, fuck no. He said he loved you and was at the game with another bitch.
Yeah.
Oh, your phone is like.
You sure it was another bitch? You sure it wasn't his little sister or something?
Y'all
So back to who?
Okay, now back to Ace.
Back to
Don't
age.
ask me no.
Hold on, let's pull this up somewhere. Oh, put her purse right there. Oh, it's good. It's
I
good.
got a question for Asia.
Okay, go ahead.
When the last time you? Oh yeah.
I know this.
Oh yeah. I know this. Right. So if she drink, she better go and drink. Shoot for a drink, baby. Wow. I think you should drink. You see what day it is, bitch. You see what day it is. February hit the bottom. Yeah, you can hit our bottom. You can cash at me. February, you can cash at me. February 12th. It's my bottom.
February 12th. Was that February 12th?
The day we was all.
That was February 12th?
Cash out like $4. Like the 11th or 12th.
Okay,
The day we got drunk. That day.
No, the day after.
The day after.
That's Saturday. That's
Okay.
Saturday.
Where she?
Well, she is crazy. We go to school down here. I'm here right now.
I'm from Henrico.
From Southside. What part of Southside?
Broad Rock.
Broad Rock. You know what Hillside and shit is?
Yeah, I know Hillside shit up.
They're still trying to holler at me. Bro, shut up.
Now y'all, you got your blunt back?
No. I'm dead. Okay. All right.
Nate.
You did you drink? Yes. No, I said February 12th. Oh, okay.
You gotta ask her the questions, I don't know.
You got the cash out? You got the cash out?
Yeah, I put it on.
Appreciate it, man.
Let me see. Let me think.
I'm sorry, you know your name.
Her cash out. Is it true that?
Now they coming back over here.
Is it true that you love Morgan back? I love Morgan back. After you said he love you. Did I say that? You tripping or you drinking?
You truthful or you drinking?
Do you love him? Do you love him? Do you love him, bitch? Oh, give me that.
Do you love him? She love him. She love him.
She don't want to tell the truth, but she do. I love that nigga.
She love him.
She don't want to tell the truth, but she do. I love that nigga. I know you be faking like shit. Come on.
She said she wish it was
Janaya. Who got a question for Janaya?
Janaya in the shit.
Is it true? Yeah, you ask. Okay.
Do
Damn.
you love?
Right? Because she keeps trying to like.
Because I don't want to hear nothing about you don't miss him, no nothing. Because you have not. Do you miss? Do you love him? What? You don't miss him? You don't love him, no nothing?
You might as well take the
I
shot.
don't talk about him in the
Just because you didn't talk about him,
that don't mean shit.
So which one?
No.
No? Alright, she said no.
So you don't miss him either?
They're hearing again.
Oh, why?
Y'all, did we ever tap this?
My cousin. She said I'm not letting her go until you have a baby. I said that when I was walking. I was like, I ain't talking about
Okay, Jasmine.
You can have a baby.
Hold on, fix the camera.
When the last time you got some dick?
She's had some the other day.
Oh, shit. Damn. Not too much, bitch, because I spill all your beans, bitch.
Okay, Jasmine. Do you see yourself having a baby with you? I just went to so.
Damn.
No.
Why?
What?
Man, I fucked with
Right.
him. He was cool.
Wasn't that? But he don't got his shit together
Said
yet.
all this shit on that.
I'm
Right,
gonna
man.
check it out. He don't got his shit together right now, so his shit together right now. But he getting his shit together. So
He slowly but surely getting there.
Damn,
Shanna!
Damn.
Do you miss Mercedes?
Nah, I wanted to
You
ask
can't
a
even
question.
say that one.
Yeah,
that one
is like
ain't
dog
nothing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But y'all, we having a great night. We off.
Very fun.
It
We
is.
try. Talking about something.
We did.
I heard them cowgirls on hood. Bitch, why you
Yo,
over
we
there?
tried. First of all, let me tell y'all, we try to get some Dairy Queen. They gonna tell us they only serving ice cream and drinks.
Right.
It's 7:30. It's around 7:30 and you're not serving food. Like you gonna get more 7:20. 7:20. Like you should have stopped serving food around about 8, 9 o'clock. I'm confused. But
I
anywho,
can't believe niggas really got an attitude.
y'all, she's about to cry because her nigga hung up on her. She's about to cry because her man hung up on
I
her.
can't believe niggas really got an attitude.
Y'all want to see the outfits?
Yeah, purr. My bitch got that shit on. Hold on.
I did, y'all.
She got that shit on. Got all the compliments today. Purr. She got that shit on.
Yeah.
Stop playing with her. Tell far back and everything.
Dead part. What's in there? Oh, seafood. Oh, I'm sorry.
Tacos.
I must touch your booty. Oh, this is cute. That car nice as a mug. They was doing too much. Alright, what y'all tell her? We ain't trying to hit it. We hit bullshit. We about to have a hot girl. Y'all, what is this? What? It look.
She gonna come out of your head.
What?
Damn, is this? Wait, what's this?
Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a gaming room, y'all. It's what? Lost Planet.
They probably got like the fucking maze shit.
Yeah.
Open until March 15th.
Oh, so this must be new. We're currently closed, but we will be open March 15th.
This is our beach house.
This the one we was about to go to. Y'all, she thought that Jazz car got towed.
No, because in Virginia Beach, y'all, they told
Oh, it died.
shit out of
Let me make you my lady, girl, you amaze me. Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. You got my phone?
Yeah. So y'all, we at Wawa now. After like, look at my hair. Short fault. Let me get the sandwich. Yeah. What is that?
So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Yeah, period. Hey y'all, so we're back at school. Jasmine locked her key in the car. No, she left her key in the Wawa. And everybody's stuff is in the car. Yeah, boo, you had it. I seen you. And y'all sit here fucking sandwich. Yeah. But it's not in there. We went to go look again.
How is
She has your stuff. What the heck? I thought she lost it. Can you get my key? I thought she lost it. Hey, buddy. Oh, they wasn't lying when they said, I thought she lost it. You know.
Huh? I'm just.
Oh.
I'm not 2 minutes. Go ahead. One of my teammates made a face at me. I guess she wanted to say, I'm one of my bitches.
It's alright. Keep the same energy.
No. What's wrong with you?
Your best friend?
What's wrong with you? Allow him. Oh, because you. Tell me what. What you got to tell me?
I got
You got
spicy
some tea.
Italian.
Yeah, I'll call you when I get to my room in like 20, 30 minutes. I'll catch up with the girls. So the show now.
I see my man at the beach.
My man's at the beach too. So what's his name?
We got the same meal. Can I have some chips?
Oh,
No, it's big.
you at the beach? That's why they supposed to add prices to that.
Let's throw some. First of all, you know I'm just a road chicken, my girl. Can I have some of your chips? I need some food. All my stuff is upstairs. No, one thing about you, just showing them. Then when I'm about to open up my Slim Jim, he said, I couldn't even eat it.
Oh.
You got one? You said what?
You let her know you on my side.
No, you was on your side last time. My side not here today. Y'all, our power went out. Our power just went out. What the fuck is that noise? Oh my gosh, it's dark. So y'all, our power went out. We only got emergency lights. What? Oh yeah, they all emergency lights. And it's like 4 o'clock in the morning. That bathroom stinks. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning. Hey y'all. We just played Ding Dong Ditch.
I know I was not.
He's bad. He was playing Ding Dong Ditch. And
The defense is irritating me.
she seemed like a sweet lady. We can go rob somebody.
CJ walking down the street.
Bro, she ain't even. Look, she ready for it.
Oh, all this time? Yeah. Hey y'all, so we about to take a pregnancy test or whatever.
Being grown girls.
Angel was dreaming about fish. So
Pink and blue and shit.
and I was wearing pink and blue, and then
My vape pink and blue.
oh,
I didn't even think that at all.
and then down my TikTok timeline, it was pregnancy stuff, baby shower stuff.
And the train drivers came scaring small lines. Move the test direction.
Your vape all in the way of my camera.
What CT stands for?
CT?
The 2 lines and the result means you're probably pregnant.
How's it positive?
Positive
CT.
Whatever, I don't know.
CT is you pregnant.
Oh,
Regular C mean you not, and T mean invalid.
But if it's both,
You pregnant.
the president two real lines.
I'm scared to take this. Look, this shit be wrong.
Alright.
Because if it's wrong,
Nah,
I'll be
'cause
like,
I
yeah,
remember
somebody else
Paige-
peed on my shit.
I remember Paige took one. Hers was pregnant, but she went to doctors and wasn't even pregnant.
It do be invalid as shit sometimes, though.
False positive.
Yeah, pause.
But we need something.
No real line of
So what we putting it in our
We
hands?
gotta put it in a.
But oh yeah, let me come on y'all so we can do my thumbnail. Put y'all pregnancy things up there. Come on, put my thumbnail.
You gotta wait till my Stop! You won't really make her think she pregnant.
She keep making
I'm
it.
not pregnant, y'all. And my birth control was going on 5 years now, so I don't know if it's still.
Alright, put y'all age, come put your thing. Let me get down to where y'all. Slow get up. We gotta look at each other.
Yeah, we're gonna get
Alright,
so-
and we're gonna let each other know
Maisha-
what to say.
Okay, you look at Jazz's. Maisha gonna look at yours, and I look at my ages and my ages.
All right, that is.
Okay. bet.
Who I'm looking at?
So I'm.
Right,
Oh
she
shit!
said.
Right.
I'm looking. She looking at mine. I'm looking at yours.
You looking at
You
Shannon?
looking at Shannon. Shannon looking at hers.
Okay. There we go.
We be back.
All right, Jazz.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So y'all, I have Jasmine's.
I got Shannon's.
I got my ages.
And I got Nas.
Who I'm shaking
So-
for y'all.
We gonna set the timer for 3 minutes.
Let me set my time. I'm gonna do it for you.
Well, shit, we don't need 3 more.
Shit, just give it one.
Alright, 1 minute.
How long has it been since y'all used the bathroom?
Like a minute
For
and
me,
30
it's been
seconds.
like probably like 2 minutes.
Alright, so do how many
So,
minutes? 2 I or got 1? Nas.
I got Jazz.
Asia got Shannon. 2 or 1?
Why
How many
is that
minutes?
names? Right.
Keep reminding me. I'm getting mad.
Y'all, How y'all feel? Tell the people how y'all feel.
How you feel?
Man, I ain't pregnant. I don't give a fuck about this test right now.
I'll take no, baby.
If I'm pregnant on my mother, I'm calling that nigga, and he's sending me $500 today. Fuck you talking about? You want
Abortion.
How you feel? You're not getting rid of it.
I am Bookie. What you talking about? That's
Jasmine.
That's how you feel.
I don't know. You don't know? How you feel? And you better stop.
How you feel?
I feel like I don't want no baby right now. So are you gonna keep it if you're pregnant?
Damn, stop wishing it. Like, just wait till the test comes.
This is an if. It's an if.
Nah.
We're gonna discuss that when we get back.
When the test comes, we ain't even gonna say if. Because there's no if.
Yeah, I'm shaking for you.
Okay, Nine, how you feel? And then we checking them.
Yeah.
Wait, y'all got a minute in.
Nah, because we've been peed. Everybody been peed.
We was in there washing our hands.
Yeah.
Nah, take your time because it's time going down.
I feel like I'm scared of shit.
I'm
scared.
Yeah, what's up with the drops? No, I thought I ain't putting enough drops because it wasn't for me. And so I was like, all right, hold on. Then it started going.
Yeah.
I seen a little line come in. I put that shit in the box.
Y'all ready?
All right.
Man, if I am, I'm gonna keep. I'm
We'll go one by one.
All right, we do hers first. I'm scared. Who I got? Me. My girl good.
Do nines.
Hold on, wait.
Hold on. Shit. What did I say?
My heart.
Wait, what you got? Let's go.
I'm scared too. I'm shaking on my ass.
Yo, we'll see.
Yeah, show them first.
Oh my God. This your plan.
Jackson,
Wherever I pop from.
because you pregnant, bitch.
I'm not bitch.
No fade on any of our niggas. Straight red line, nigga.
Hey, send me this joint, cause y'all all y'all.
We outside.
We out
No
there.
baby.
Fuck is you talking?
Somebody's getting, baby, it's just food. Yeah, don't play with my girl like that.
Baby.
It's food. My girl can eat. Yeah.
No baby.
Yeah.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
And stay true and be blessed.